Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change Facebook page name. Friends, when we are making a Facebook page, sometimes we need to change our Facebook page name. Then the problem is if we are going to change the name, then we can't change the name. When we click on the change name, Facebook official app shows content not found, back to home. Then what should we do? In this video I am going to show you how to change this by using your mobile phone. How to fix this problem by using your mobile phone. Friends, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. To change Facebook page name, you have to open a browser. In my case, I am opening Google Chrome. Here, log into your Facebook account. You can see here I am logged in my Facebook page. From here, tap the three vertical lines for menu and then tap Pages. Here Facebook will show the existing pages under your Facebook account. Tap the name which you want to change the name. After opening the page, tap on the three dot menu and then tap on Edit Settings. From Edit Settings, tap on Page Info. Here you can see the name of your page. Tap on this and edit this. After typing the name correctly, tap on Continue. When you apply for changing the page name, Facebook will review your request and it will take some time to update it. After changing the name, you can change the name again after 7 days. That was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.